AC Schnitzer upgrades BMW i5. Aftermarket facelift arrives before official BMW refresh. BMW owners seeking a more aggressive look for their i5 don't have to wait for the factory facelift. Tuning firm AC Schnitzer has released a comprehensive upgrade package for the electric sedan, mirroring enhancements previously offered for gasoline-powered 5 Series models. The kit provides a more pronounced aesthetic, addressing a gap in customization options for early i5 adopters. Styling and chassis enhancements. The AC Schnitzer package centers around a more aggressive stance. Key components include a front splitter, matching side skirts, and a choice of rear spoilers, with touring models receiving a unique variant. These parts are optimized for vehicles already equipped with BMW's M Sport package, which includes sportier bumpers as standard. Beyond the body kit, AC Schnitzer offers side stripe decals for added visual impact. The most striking upgrade is the wheel selection, featuring 3 designs in multiple finishes and sizes ranging from 19 to 21 inches. The example car showcases 21-inch AC3 flow-forming wheels with a 5 double-spoke pattern, accented by bold red brake calipers. Suspension and performance considerations. The upgrade also includes lowering springs that reduce ride height by 0.81 inch, 2025 mm, and wheel spacers that widen the track by 0.8 inch, 20 mm. These modifications aim to give the i5 a more planted, grounded appearance. While AC Schnitzer currently focuses on cosmetic and handling upgrades for the i5, the firm has indicated performance tuning will remain exclusive to combustion engine models, including the upcoming M5. The i5 M60 xDrive already boasts factory-tuned dual electric motors with 593 HP, 445 kW/601 HP, and 605 lb-ft, 820 Nm of torque. AC Schnitzer's team considers this not enough, but has not yet provided a solution. Pricing and availability. The aftermarket package is priced as follows. Front splitter, $1,500, €1,290. Side skirts, $1,000, €840. Roof spoiler, $580, €490. Rear lip spoiler, $640, €540. Wheels, up to $7,700, €5,390. Spacers, $580, €486. Lowering springs, $830, €581. AC Schnitzer's kit enables i5 owners to personalize their cars before BMW's official mid-cycle refresh. This aftermarket option fills a niche for enthusiasts wanting immediate visual upgrades, though performance enhancements remain limited to combustion variants for now.